In this video, I'll show you how you can take profit on eToro without closing your position. So I'll show you two different ways. The one is simply an automatic take profit, but this one will close the position. And the other one is how you can take profit for some of the position without closing the entire position. So head over to portfolio, select the one that you want to do. So let's just say you want to do Apple. Now the first one is if you press on take profit right here, you can choose when you want it to automatically close it, so you don't have to close it yourself. So let's say when it's up for $50, which is at this per unit. So if I do this, when it hits this per unit, it's currently at 198, it will automatically take the profit and close the position. But if you don't want to close the entire position, another thing you can do is head to close, select choose only part of the trade, and then you can select how much you want. So this is the value that I own of it. So let's say you only want to close 1,000 of it. You can just close the trade, and now you will see that the order has been received. Obviously, we need to wait for the market to open. But then once it opens, I will have sold 1,000 of it. So I took some profit, and I still have the 3,000 left after the 1,000 is done. So this is the way that you can do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you want, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.